All right, welcome back to our channel, guys. Nope. Already.
Let me start over. Welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to do something extremely fun. 5-minute makeup challenge.
I'm scared.
I know, me too. So we are going to do a full face of makeup in 5 minutes. So
Which is no time.
yeah, no time at all. I mean, it takes me 5 minutes to do my eyeshadow.
Oh my god.
So stay tuned. If you are interested to see how this look goes, keep watching.
Fingers crossed. Okay, so we're gonna start the timer. We have literally nothing on our faces right now.
Nothing, not even
on.
Yeah, not even moisturizer.
My face is real dry feeling right now.
It's hilarious. So I'm looking down. I'm gonna start the timer on my phone. As you can see, it's gonna be, that was a little bit greasy. So I'm gonna start the timer on my phone just so you can see. It's gonna be 5 minutes, no games. You ready?
Okay. I don't know if I'm ready. Okay. All right, let's do it. Okay, ready?
And your mark.
Okay.
Get set. Go.
Oh my god.
I'm like, wait, what do I start with?
Okay. Let me get some moisturizer on here. I got them.
Oh my goodness. 15 seconds in. We're only on moisturizer.
Lord.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, let me get a little bit of primer on here.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is, I know, but it's not playing. Oh my goodness. All right, so we got stuff all over the place. Wait, where's the time?
Okay.
We're 1 minute out.
Lord. Okay. Let me get some foundation on here.
All right. Quick. Oh my goodness. So, do you think we're gonna finish?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Where are we at? We're at 3 minutes.
Oh my god.
This was not a good idea. You know what? I'm going full force with it. I'm just going to use my finger.
Throw the whole brush set away.
Throw it away. All right. Just where you at? Jess, where you at?
I'm about to put some concealer on.
We're at 3 minutes. Holy shit. My foundation is not even blended in all the way. Oh my gosh. Where are we at? Where are we at? We've got 2 minutes and 48 seconds.
2 minutes? Oh my god, I don't even have my blush on. I don't know how I'm gonna get the eyelashes.
We're not.
Okay.
Oh shoot, my eyebrows.
I forgot to put my eyebrows on.
Shoot,
Damn it.
where are we at? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. That's it. That's all we got.
Oh, yo, you guys, don't judge me on my eyebrows, okay? Please.
Oh shoot, I just did a, where are we at? Where are we at? We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I lied the first time.
Oh my god. We get a little color.
I'm over here shaking. Trying to get this done.
Oh my gosh, my eyebrows. They're on. Okay.
That's it. Done. Boom.
Do a little
Where
contour
we at?
action.
All right, we literally only have a minute. Finger action.
Are you serious?
Hmm.
This is what
I don't know how people do it.
I'm just putting this on any kind of way. Excuse the language, guys.
Oh my gosh, where are we at? Oh my gosh, Jasenia, we got a minute.
Oh my god. Okay. A little bit of blush. Blush kind of pulls things together. Okay, I can kind of see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Wait.
I'm about to... Let me see. I'm gonna use this color here.
Oh, you know what? No fakies. I mean, no falsies. We got literally 56 seconds. Oh my God. We're focused. That's why we're quiet.
Oh my gosh, what am I even doing? I'm gonna put my lip on now.
Oh shoot, my lip. My lip. My lip.
No lip liner.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Oh, shit. This shit looks crazy.
Oh my gosh, we got 21 seconds. 21. 21. $21. 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5,
Oh my god.
4, 3, 2.
Oh, yours is cute.
That's because I did it with my fingers. Guys.
Bruh, what is this? There's no...
No lip. But your lip liner, I mean, your lipstick looks good. Okay, I know. We're done.
Oh
Guys.
my gosh, that was crazy.
That was so much fun. So, this is the end result.
Yeah.
No
This
line,
is it.
no liner, nothing. Just no falsies.
We just threw the whole brush set away. Just
threw
fine.
it away.
Just use your fingers. Oh my gosh. That was our 5-minute makeup challenge. We hope you enjoyed it and had some fun watching us. We had a ton of fun making it. So
Fun.
we'll see y'all next time.
And make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe.